Good morning everyone, welcome back for another video. I'm just going to be doing a work day in my life during quarantine, and I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you guys what I'm doing. I work as a digital organizer in Washington D.C. On like political, policy, social issues. So I typically work on digital campaigns and setting them up for my organization and for other organizations that we partner with, as well as doing graphics. I use Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, I use Premiere Pro. For my everyday work. I send out those annoying text messages that you get sometimes from political activists. I set up those petitions that you give your phone number to, and that's how we text you. I do all that stuff. So I'm just going to bring you guys along in my day working from home. Today's kind of busy. I have a few side projects that my boss just called me and let me know about, and it's gonna be a little different just because I'm working from home. I'm wearing my comfy white romper from Princess Polly that I mentioned in my last video. I have it in black too, go check it out. But it's so comfy and it's just the best thing to work in, so that's what I'm wearing today. So I'm just gonna start off my day with my tea. We got this cup in England and it's pretty gross, but Jake got it for me because he's rude. Anyway, so I am going to go on Google Calendar and set up my day. So I'll bring you guys along with me and show you kind of how I do that. Let's get going. I'm editing now, and just a note, I broke my nose before I recorded this, so if my nose looks really crooked, it's because it's broken. So this is my calendar, and today I have a few things going on. First of all, I'm going to research some SMS tools, which will be really fun. I'm looking at my computer here, and I also have a meeting that's actually canceled with my boss because she's out today, and then I have to connect with someone from a different team to discuss some options for their broadcast SMS program. So that's just some more digital work there. That'll be really interesting because I haven't engaged with them before, and it's really good to get to know people that are in different departments and I haven't really gotten to engage yet. Let's see here. After that, I am pulling some metrics for my boss because we are trying to gauge how successful our campaigns have been over the past few weeks or months. And so I'm going to pull those for him. I'm actually pretty excited because we've run some really great campaigns lately that have done super well. So that'll be fun to look at. I love looking at that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. And then I have a chat with a person in a different department, like completely different, like I would have never met them otherwise because our job matches us with buddies. So we're just gonna chat and meet up and get to know each other. So this is just how I use Google Calendar. I have vacation off tomorrow, so obviously that's why I'm going over the Independence Day. And then I use the red reminder things as a like personal task. Like I have return Rent the Runaway there, and send out Depop. So I started using Google Calendar thanks to Natalie Barbu, so shout out to her for getting me started on this. So I'm gonna go get started on researching the texting tools because I'm a little late. What's up, y'all? So I just finished my first phone calls. I am going to make some coffee because I am crashing. I'm gonna fall asleep in like, I don't know, minutes if I don't get coffee. So I'm gonna go make some of that. And then I have a call in like 20 minutes, and then I have to pull a bunch of stuff, but basically I always crash around this time. So I'm kind of like George Washington right now. I don't know. So I'll just have some instant coffee and a sandwich, usually a little bit before lunchtime. And then I'll usually spend some time sitting outside, just because it's really nice. I'll typically try to have my lunch out there. And then I'll usually try to sit outside for a little bit and work in the sun, just because I don't get much sun in my English basement. So that's me setting up outside. And it's just really relaxing to be able to do this in the afternoons, and it is always good to get some fresh air. So if you're working from home, I would really highly recommend trying to sit outside and getting some fresh air when you have the chance, because working from home can be really tiring. Okay, so I just got off a call. It was really interesting because I don't know everything, and I was supposed to consult someone on some service that they might be thinking of getting. So I feel like my job right now is a lot of learning, just because I have used similar services and systems in the past at my old job, but we're using entirely new ones, and I just don't completely know their audience and everything like that. So it was just an interesting time, but I'm pretty sure I advised her well, and I'm gonna do some additional research in the back now that I know more about what she needs, and hopefully I can help her out a little bit more. But yeah, so now I have to do a bunch of stuff in Google Drive. I have to find a bunch of documents for my boss. So I'm gonna do that, and then it's gonna be almost noon now. You guys, I'm so tired. Yeah, I have a meeting right now with my coworker, and it was supposed to be like 30 minutes ago, and she was running a little late, and she was like, sorry, like I have to lay down my baby for its nap. And I was just like, I wish I had someone who was in charge of laying me down for a nap every day. I love naps, like passionate. Anyway, so I have my call right now, and then I just received these in the mail. La Roche-Posay micellar water to take off my makeup, because I've been using Dr. Jart water and it's been really good, and that's running out, and I found that on sale. And then I also got the Anastasia brush, 7B brush. I'm trying to get better about doing my eyebrows, because apparently eyebrows make the whole face and mine are like really bad. But I was watching Sigonia Lazaroff's video on her eyebrows, and she recommended this brush, and of course I just had to go out and buy it. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get ready to go on my call, and then I have more work for a few hours, so gonna do that. It looks so good today. What is up, y'all? So I got off my call a little while ago, and I just finished sending a report to my boss. It like shows our like how well we've been doing with our Facebook ads and our new digital systems, and we've been doing super well, so I felt pretty good about sending that report. And there's been like a definite uptick in like it's just one thing in particular that I've been working really closely on, like it like tripled, so that feels really good to be able to send that report, because I know that I had a part in that. And I work with a really awesome team. It's all women except for the boss, who's a man. He's really cool. And it's just like really great to work with a diverse group of women. It feels really good to be around like other Latinas and to be able to work with them. Anyway, so I am heading off to TJ Maxx and Sephora to pick up two things that I need. I need to buy a new bedsheet set, because our current bedsheet set is like ruining our entire lives. Not ruining it, I'm being dramatic. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and buy that, and oh god, I freaking love TJ Maxx, you guys. I'm like so happy that they opened. Anyway, yeah, just gonna head there, especially since I started work early today, so I'm just gonna try to be in and out of the stores within 30 minutes. But it's a nice little adventure for the day, because I don't think I'm leaving the house today after this. So anyway, I am here, so I am going to Parallel Park and then head inside. Back in my car. I went to TJ Maxx and Sephora. Pretty boring, but I got a bunch of mixing bowls from KitchenAid. These were half off. Jake had seen them online, and he was like, I need these very specific KitchenAid bowls. And I got them, and it was actually a good find, because they are half off, and there's 5 of them. And I don't like the color, but also he's the one who cooks, so as long as he's satisfied. And then I got like 6 of my favorite clips ever, $1 each, which I thought was amazing, because I usually have them at Nordstrom Rack for a little bit more. And then I also bought this Miss Dior Eau de Toilette perfume. Anyway, I didn't realize it was the Eau de toilet. I thought it was a tofu, but it's not. A scam. Anyway, it's fine. I got that. It smells so good. I am a digital organizer. That's my title. I basically just work to do all things digital for people, for campaigns. So basically, you know when you get like a political text that says like, hey, vote for butter this fall, or like you call and you're like, how the heck did you get my number? Well, you gave it to us. You signed a petition and you gave us your information, and then you allowed us to text you. So people are always so surprised when they find out that it was their fault or they're getting text. But that's basically my job. I text you and you're like, please stop it, and then I don't. So that's kind of what I do. I also like set up like the petition pages that you see, and write the text and do the graphics, and I try to find better systems for people to connect with people, because sometimes some of our partners have trouble connecting with people online. Like people just aren't clicking on their links, and people don't like their content. So I try to work with them to create more engaging content and just stronger stuff so that they can pull people in and text them all the time, you know. So that's kind of what I do. It's a lot of fun, and it feels really good at the end of the day to be working on a cause that I believe in, like completely. I work on immigrant rights, I work on housing justice, childcare justice, just basically empowering low propensity voters to go out and vote, like people who don't vote, particularly minorities, people of color, black people. I just work on helping our partners and helping my colleagues to get those people out there to vote. And I do that digitally, and it's even crazier. I feel like if you're looking into organizing jobs or like policy jobs, I think organizing is a great thing to go into, and I would 150% recommend you to learn how to do digital, because I mean, even right now during COVID, everything is digital now. People cannot go knock doors. So like I said, if you are interested in advocacy or organizing or anything political related, I would, and anyway, just anything in general, I would 100% recommend you learn digital stuff, like ad placing or graphics even. And then I had to do it, and now I have a job and I get paid well and I have benefits, and I'm in a union, and I get to do work I love and get paid to do it. Anyway, I'm home now, so that was that. I'm gonna go and go inside. I'm gonna go inside now.
I should tell them today that she has to wear a mask when she goes out.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Was she not?
None of them do. No one does.
Why?
Because they haven't been told to.
Isn't it, like required?
Welcome to Booze Britain, sorting the highs and lows of life in a binge drinking.
Did you?
On.
At least
I cheated and I lost.
Lewis is taking
You didn't cheat. Hey all, so I didn't record an outro for this video, but thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned or gained a little bit of insight into what working as a digital organizer is like. I know that the term can be pretty ambiguous, but basically I just work to set up digital campaigns for an organization, similar to how someone might do for a company. But basically that's what I do. It's a lot of fun, and if you have any questions about community organizing, political advocacy, activism, I have experience in that. I have some experience in policy work as well, and creating change in our US system. So that's a lot of fun for me to talk about, and I will definitely talk about it more in a different video. But yeah, in the meantime, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Keep an eye out for more videos from me about my house buying process. I'm supposed to close on my house on Friday, which is really exciting, so hopefully that pans out just like it should. And yeah, also just want to note, I broke my nose last night. I ran into a wall on my way to the bathroom, and it's swollen right now, and it's going left, but it's fine. So yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and comment. I love comments. Yeah, see you guys soon.